One, two, three.
Start my morning with brushing my teeth and then washing my face to get a fresh start for the day.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Sneha and welcome back to yet another video. So for today's video we're going to be doing again something different. So for today I'm going to be living like Yashita Dee for 24 hours videos edition. So basically if you haven't watched any video of this kind, all you need to do is you need to smash out some video clips out of your favorite YouTuber and you need to live like them. Now I have changed my concept in terms of video edition and today's video is based on Yashita Rai. If you don't know who she is already, she makes videos related to fashion, lifestyle, positivity. Don't forget to check her channel out. So basically in the morning I woke up and as you saw I did the regular morning routine which she had told, and this is my basic routine as well. You need to get your head start by refreshing, by washing your face. So talking about what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be choosing our outfit on the basis of scrunchies which I've already done. तो पहले जल्दी से जाके वो वाली clip देख लो and then we're going to be continuing our day. Okay, so you guys, good morning and it's finally the time to decide my outfit. So for the outfit, I watched this video of Yashita Dee where she actually uses her scrunchies to pick what she wears for a day. This is a very innovative idea. I never thought that I'm going to be using my scrunchies to decide what I wear. So let's quickly do it. I have a bunch of scrunchies here. I'm going to be closing my eyes and the one that I'll pick, I have to wear that colored outfit. I'm really excited. So let's go. I hope I get a good color. Okay, so is it too much color? This one. Oh my god, I got pink. So maybe I'm gonna be wearing something pink today. Soon after she refreshes her face, she makes sure that she fills her water bottle. Now this is a very good step because if you know me, you know that I don't keep myself hydrated a lot. Although I've started it, but still. So filling your water bottle right in the morning, make sure to keep yourself hydrated, and I guess this is a very good step. So I'm going to be filling my water bottle and then we're going to be consuming it throughout the day. Let's see how many bottles we can finish today. And let's quickly have a breakfast. Okay, you guys, so for the breakfast, I'm going to be referring to her What I Eat in a Day wala video, wherein she has told that she loves to have paneer sandwich right in the morning. Now, I have never, actually loved to have sandwiches right in the morning, but I am gonna have it today. And if you know that how much I was longing for this. I'm gonna be having this today. I'm gonna be quickly showing this to you. And yep, let's quickly have it. Quite filling and I really loved it, and I would suggest you guys to try this breakfast as well. This is so good. Now talking about some of her hacks. Now I love testing new hacks, and one thing that I found new in her video was she was trying nail hacks. Now nail hacks is something that I always wanted to try because नए nails देखने में अच्छे भी लगते हैं. So as nail extensions के studios पे जाने से आप थोड़ा सा डर रहे होगे due to the virus. So let's do something at home. So I saw this hack in her, I guess, testing nail hacks wala video, and what she is doing is she has black nail paint with her and she has dipped her wet nails in the cornstarch, and after that you just need to brush the powder off and it turns into matte nail paint. So the shiny nail paint will turn into a formula of matte nail paint. I can't wait to try this, और अगर नहीं भी होता है तो टेस्ट करने में क्या जा रहा है. So let's quickly do it.
You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah, just so easy to love, and I like when you say.
Okay, you guys, so I'm finally done with the hack. This is what the final result looks like. I'm pretty much satisfied with it. It actually gives you a matte look. So if you're a person who has glossy nail paints at home and want to turn them into matte version, you can definitely try this hack. It's very quick to perform. And yeah, now let's quickly move to the next hack. Guys, so it's around 2 p.m. and my mom just cut watermelon, so मैंने सोचा that why not do the photo shoot thing that I saw in Yashita Di's video. So she has basically done a watermelon photo shoot sort of, and you can also do it because we all have watermelon at this time. So all you need to do is you just need to cut the watermelon in a U shape and then we need to click pictures. So let's go. So my mom has very kindly and very neatly cut the watermelon in this shape for me. It is very easy. You can also cut it at home or you can take anyone's help for this. So now we're going to be clicking some pictures with this.
I can't take it. I wish I could get away from here. Never back to this. It's all I want to, and also forget about you. 'Cause what you did is not that cool.
So guys, it's evening time and I thought why not include a mini segment in this video as well. So I saw a video of Yashita Di where she actually recreating or reacting to her childhood pictures. So I just thought of sharing some of my favorite or my childhood pictures because I've never shared it with you guys. So let's quickly have a short story time and share some of my favorite childhood pictures. So talking about picture number 1, now this is one of my favorite pictures of mine and you can clearly see my obsession for bags. I loved bags. Even now I'm obsessed with bags. And one backstory around this picture is that when I used to be young, I used to be very afraid of the camera. Every child is afraid of strong lighting. So when we used to get our pictures clicked at the studio, I used to cry. So this is a picture of me crying. If you will see it very clearly, then only you could be able to observe this. But yeah, I used to be afraid of camera, but now I just love camera. Now talking about the next picture. Now this is our trio, that is me, Simran and Seerat. Now we are having chips and I love this picture because this is something that is now relevant. Exactly same, we are the same, we are bonded together just as we were a few years back. So I love this picture. And look at Seerat, how cute is she? Don't you see the difference? Anyways, talking about the next picture, see how chubby I was. I talked about this in Sweet 16 as well, that I used to be very chubby when I used to be a kid, but now that is why I get teased कि पहले ज़्यादा cute थी. But anyways, this is me when I was a kid and I have a few other pictures. So right back when it was my first birthday, this is how I dressed up and this is Simran, by the way. And talking about what happened was I got a lot of toys, a lot of gifts, and my whole room was stuffed with a lot of different gifts. And this is how my room looked like. I was completely surrounded with toys, and even now I love gifts. I love getting surrounded by gifts. Now talking about this picture, now when I was, I guess in class first, I don't remember which class photo is this, but I spoke a speech on my mom probably, and this was like, I guess one of my first speech on stage. And now I am the same person, but now I am so afraid of like going on stage in front of a lot of people. But anyways, leaving that, my obsession with dance was since childhood. You can see at every birthday party I used to love dancing. So yeah, these were few of my pictures that I wanted to share with you guys and wanted to give you a short story time about each of them. So now let's quickly see what we're gonna do next. Hi guys, so finally it's the time to have something for dessert, because if you have observed Yashita Di's YouTube, you must be knowing that she's a sweet tooth and I also love having desserts. So we are going to be making a chocolate mug cake, and it's a very basic recipe that I found on Google. So we're going to be making it and let's see how it turns out.
Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty,
It's so good, you guys. I would definitely suggest you to try this recipe. I've already mentioned the ingredients, but I'll try to mention them in the description box as well, so you try to check it out. It's so good, you guys. The taste is so good. I'm gonna be having this regularly, so maybe you'll find this in my favorite. Guys, that's pretty much it about the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching and just found this entertaining. Also, if you are a Cutie Fam member, leave your attendance in the comment section below. If you want me to do any other particular YouTubers living like video, then do leave their name in the comment section below. I will see you guys soon. If it's necessary, then only go out and do double masking if you want to go out. Stay home, stay safe. I'll see you guys super soon. Take care. Goodbye.